Welcome to a new video tutorial. Today you will learn how to convert W2USDT from the Unidos Chain blockchain to the Binance Smart Chain blockchain as USDT tokens. We call this process bridging. For this, we are going to access Unido Finance, and I'll leave the link in the description of this video. Once you are connected with your wallet, go to the section labeled Bridge. What is a bridge? A bridge allows you to exchange a token from one blockchain and receive it on another blockchain. In this case, we will use the exchange from the Unidos blockchain to the Binance Smart Chain blockchain. That's why the Unidos blockchain should be on the left side and the Binance Smart Chain blockchain on the right side. After that, we're going to locate the W2USDT token at the bottom, which is the stable coin of the Unidos chain blockchain, and we're going to refresh. Once refreshed, it will show us our available balance, and for this example, we'll enter 47.7 W2USDT. Automatically, the Unidos Finance Exchange will convert the W2USDT to USDT on the Binance Smart Chain. We click on Bridge Token. We wait for each of the processes and confirm as we go. Enter your wallet security password. Wait a couple of seconds. We confirm again. And automatically, we can see that the bridge has been successfully completed. If we go to our personal wallet, we can see that it has been updated. Now I have my USDT in my wallet through the bridge I completed on Unidos Finance from the Unidos Chain blockchain to the Binance Smart Chain blockchain, allowing me to send my USDT to an exchange of my choice or to buy any product or service with that cryptocurrency. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.